How to use YouTube download for members feature. To use the YouTube download for members, you simply have to have the YouTube Premium subscription. Go ahead and launch the YouTube application on your device. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Scroll down to the absolute bottom or simply tap on the setting gear icon on the top right. From here, you should be able to find Join YouTube Premium over here, or try YouTube Premium option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, once again, tap on this try 1 month for free option, then choose your plan. And once you select your plan, go ahead and tap on this try once again, tap continue, go through the payment details and subscribe to the plan itself. Now, once you have subscribed to the plan itself, all you have to do is simply go ahead and find yourself any public video or content. And once you find it, go ahead and tap on the download button from this navigation bar. It should be available to you over here, or tap on this three-dotted menu icon and you will find the download option. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.